Welcome to Side Hustles and Smart Finance, the channel where we turn ideas into income. From AI hustles to smart finance tips, you'll learn how to build extra income streams and achieve lasting wealth. Because here, we believe AI hustles plus smart finance equals wealth. Hit subscribe and let's grow smarter together. Watch this video till the end. I have a special gift just for you, a free, powerful resource that could be your very first step to building real online income. Don't skip it. It might just change the way you start. Have you ever scrolled through YouTube or TikTok and felt overwhelmed by endless make money online promises? Everyone talks about side hustles, but most videos leave you confused or disappointed. Deep down, you wonder, is there really a way to build real online income with ChatGPT, or is it just another passing trend? I'm Michael, and today I want to share something different. Not hype, not shortcuts, but 7 strategies with ChatGPT side hustles that can genuinely help you build consistent online income. These are the same methods I've tested with clients, friends, and even my own business. Stay with me until the end, because I'll give you a perspective most people never talk about. The truth behind how to make money ChatGPT and why some of the simplest ideas can change your financial future. If you find value here, make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this journey. 1. Content creation empire. Let's begin with one of the fastest growing ChatGPT side hustles, content creation. Every business, big or small, needs content daily, yet most don't have the time or skills to produce it. This is where you step in. You can use ChatGPT to generate blogs, captions, scripts, and email drafts, but don't just copy paste, polish the content, add structure, and bring a human voice. I had a student who charged $75 for her first blog post. ChatGPT gave her the draft in 10 minutes, she refined it, and the client left a glowing review. That snowballed into more projects. The reality is this: Make Money ChatGPT isn't about replacing creativity, it's about multiplying it. And as side hustles go, content creation is one of the most direct paths to earning online. 2. Email marketing. Here's something most beginners overlook. Email is still the king of sales. Brands will pay handsomely for someone who can write sequences that convert. ChatGPT can help you draft entire email flows, welcome series, product launches, or re-engagement campaigns. Imagine a 5 email sequence that turns cold leads into buyers. One of my clients sold a 5-day dinner reset program using such a sequence, earning over $500 in the first week. The secret? ChatGPT takes away the blank page fear. But the real art lies in knowing your audience and adding stories. That combination makes this one of the most profitable Make Money ChatGPT side hustles you can start today. 3. Digital products. Now, let's talk scalability. Service work is great, but digital products give you freedom. Once you create it, you can sell it again and again. Ebooks, templates, guides, or mini courses. I once created a simple productivity planner using ChatGPT. It took me one afternoon. I uploaded it to Gumroad, and within a week, it started selling. Not thousands, but enough to prove the point. People pay for shortcuts that save them time. Think about it. Budget planners, social media calendars, even niche checklists. If you've ever solved a small problem for yourself, chances are others will pay for the same solution. That's where Make Money ChatGPT becomes real, turning your solutions into products that work for you while you sleep. 4. Freelancing platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, these are crowded, but also full of opportunities. The truth is, businesses need talent daily. The challenge is standing out. This is where Make Money ChatGPT changes the game. You can use it to draft proposals, analyze client pain points, and deliver faster. One of my coaching students landed his first $75 gig on Fiverr with ChatGPT's help. He didn't undercut prices, instead he focused on value, speed, and clarity. Whether it's copywriting, market research, or presentation design, ChatGPT gives you leverage. And when you consistently deliver, reviews build momentum. For side hustles, freelancing remains one of the most flexible and rewarding paths. 5. Automation and passive income. Now, let's dream a little bigger. What if you could earn while you sleep? That's where automation comes in. ChatGPT-powered chatbots. Small businesses love them. They answer FAQs, book appointments, and recommend products automatically. Affiliate marketing. Write reviews, comparison articles, or even full video scripts with ChatGPT. Add affiliate links and your content keeps generating income. YouTube automation. Imagine faceless channels with scripts powered by ChatGPT, voiceovers outsourced cheaply, and editing done with templates. I know creators earning $500 $1,000 a month from such systems. The beauty is that once set up, these side hustles run with minimal input. Of course, they're not instant, but if you're patient, they become the foundation of long-term online income. 6. Templates and tools. One of the most underrated but profitable ideas, selling templates. Think resumes for career changers, budget sheets for freelancers, or even Canva designs for social media. ChatGPT helps you brainstorm pain points and generate draft text. Then you design or format it, and suddenly you've got a digital product that saves people hours. I had a friend who created simple business plan templates for startups. Within 3 months, he was making $300, $400 extra a month on Etsy. That's not flashy, but it's consistent, and consistency is exactly how you make money ChatGPT. 7. High-ticket clients with smart proposals. Finally, let's talk about the most powerful side hustle, closing high-ticket clients. It's not about volume, it's about value. Here's a prompt I often use. Act as a world-class copywriter. Craft a persuasive proposal that highlights the client's pain points, explains how I can solve them, shows proof of results, and ends with a strong call to action. I've literally copied this into proposals, added personal touches, and landed projects worth over $1,000. Why? Because clients don't buy services, they buy clarity and confidence. Make Money ChatGPT is not about shortcuts. It's about elevating your professional game so the clients see you as the obvious choice. So here's the truth. There's no magic button, no app that pours $50 a day into your account without effort. But there are proven paths, from content creation and email marketing to freelancing, digital products, automation, templates, and high-ticket proposals. These 7 strategies with ChatGPT side hustles can genuinely reshape your financial life. The lesson is simple. Don't chase hype. Build slowly, test, refine, and let your side hustles grow into something sustainable. Now, I want to ask you, if you had to start this week, which of these strategies would you try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if this video gave you clarity, hit like, share, and subscribe, because your journey to make money ChatGPT and discovering powerful side hustles is only beginning, and maybe your success story will
Download your
be
free
next.
gift. Start smart, start right. Want to make money online, but don't know where to begin? Get this free ebook, From Zero to an Automated Money-Making Machine. It shows you how to understand affiliate marketing, no product needed, pick the right offers. Even as a complete beginner, build a simple system that sells 24/7. No ads, no tech, no overwhelm. Focus on mindset, action, results. With this guide, many people earn their first commission in just 7 days. You might doubt yourself, others might not believe in you, but once you see your first result, everything changes. Download it now and take your first step toward time freedom. If this video sparked something in you, a small glimpse of hope, a flicker of inspiration, or even just a quiet thought, maybe I could try this too. Then don't let it pass you by, not like all the other times. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep walking alongside you on this journey. I still have so much more to share, real stories, honest strategies, and practical steps that could help you move forward just a little more every single day. Leave me a comment. Tell me, where are you right now in your journey? I read every single one, truly. And if you feel this content is worth sharing, give it a like and send this video to a friend who might be searching for the same answers you are. Want a solid place to start? Don't skip this exclusive MMO guide I've personally curated and tested, not just for myself, but alongside hundreds of students who've seen real results. This 5-part resource is battle tested, no fluff, just action. Part 1, free gift hacks. Start your MMO journey with zero cost. Discover how to get free gifts and vouchers in just a few simple steps. Part 2, simple side hustles. Make money from your phone. Try flexible jobs like writing reviews, customer support, or posting on social media. Part 3, foundations of affiliate marketing. Step-by-step training to build your first system. Perfect for beginners who want to start right. Part 4, easy wins with tools and AI. Kickstart with optimized tools and AI tech for faster results. No complex skills needed. Part 5, advanced systems for long-term income. For those ready to go serious, learn how to scale, build products, and market like a pro. This is your actionable, step-by-step guide, ready for you to dive in right after this video. These are proven learning paths, so you don't have to wander, don't have to fail the way I once did. You'll learn how to build a real system, create passive income online, even while you sleep, and most importantly, how to start without getting overwhelmed. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the guide. 100% free, no email required, or click the link below in the video description. It's right there, waiting to help you start a brand new chapter. I believe in you. You can do this. Just start today. See you in the next video or somewhere along your journey to freedom.